This one is kind of silly, and then you'll try it and love it. I promise. It feels so good. So you're laying on your back, and we're going to go back and forth from our back to our belly. You're going to use just your arms to do this work here. So it's a core exercise. You're initiating with the arm. So here I'm going to look up and over at my hand to pull me over. My legs are just flopping. They're not doing anything. They are dead weight. Now I'll reach my arm over. I'm going to tuck and look toward my armpit to get me to roll over on my belly. And then same thing, but looking up and away for the opposite side. So you're just really moving your arm and your head and your eyes where you want to go, and it's going to keep pulling you over. Okay, and then I decided, wait, I want to show you how to do this with your legs too. Same idea. Cross a leg over, reach, 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 let it pull you over. Now reach a leg up and behind you, reach where you want to go, let your upper body just flop over. So this is a core exercise, and we're just using either our upper body or our lower body to do this. I think it feels great. The only problem is you might not have a ton of room if you're at a gym. So do what you can, maybe even just doing one rep at a time on each side, going back and forth. But if you have the space, it's nice to do all of the reps in a row. Enjoy!